Hi all, today we will talk about underscore name underscore double equal to underscore main underscore block in Python scripts. In this session, we will see following questions and their answers as shown on the screen. Let's see the theoretical part quickly and then see the practical part. Before we proceed, please make a note that I will use words script and module interchangeably. Same way, I will use words, function, and method interchangeably. First question is what is this underscore name underscore block all about? So this block is about the script execution identification block. It checks that rather a script is being run directly or via importing it into another script. Based on the execution method, Python will decide what to execute if the underscore name underscore block has been mentioned in the script. Here, executing a script as standalone or as directly means using commands like python-m script name or python script name.py. Next question is what is the uses of the block? The answer is let's consider that we want to execute a script as in standalone mode as well as we want to import it into another script. In this scenario, we need to use this block and that's the uses. It's necessary to use the block in above mentioned scenarios to prevent the method or the function execution multiple times. With this block, we can execute all the functions or any specific function of the script by putting it under the underscore name underscore block, which will be executed in standalone mode. The next is, can we ignore the block? The answer is yes, we can ignore the block, but in the following two scenarios. First scenario is we want to call the function of the script and execute the script in standalone mode, but we don't want to import it into another script. Second scenario is we just want to import the module in another module, but we don't want to execute the module and its function in standalone mode. The last question is, will there be any impact if we don't use the block? So for this, I have got three scenarios which are as follows. We have a function in a script. We have called that function at the end of the script and we have imported that script in another script. In this scenario, in standalone mode, Python script name.py. So this is the standalone mode. So in this scenario, it will work as expected. But when we run the another script in which we have imported the module, the function will run multiple. Another scenario is we have a function in a script, we have called that function at the end of the script, and we have not imported that script into another script. In this scenario, in standalone mode, it will work as expected. Definitely, we have not imported it, hence, no need to discuss it. Third scenario is we have a function in a script, we have not called that function at the end of the script, and we have imported that script into the another script. In this scenario, importing the script in another script, it will work as expected. Finally, let's see the practical part of the theory. As you can see on the screen, here I have got the two files. One file is addition.py, which contain a function called summation. This is its docstring, and over here it is the print statement, and then it is returning sum of two numbers. Okay, and another file is use underscore ad.py. This is a very simple file in which we are importing summation method from addition module, which is this addition script. At present, there is no underscore name underscore block in this addition module, in this addition script. Now, I will execute the addition script by using the command python addition.py, and this will be the standalone mode. As you can see that there is no output on the screen. Now I will execute the script use underscore edit.py, in which we have imported summation function from this addition script. I will use the command python use underscore edit.py. As you can see on the screen, we have got the output that sum of two numbers is 3. In this scenario, it's perfectly fine to not to use the block because we have not called this summation function at the end of the script, and we have just imported it into the another module. Next, let me call the function at the end of the addition script. So I will write here summation 1 comma 9, and again I will execute the addition script. Here you can see that we have got the output that sum of two numbers is 10. Now I will execute use edit script again. On the screen, you can see that we have got two outputs. It shows a sum of two different sets of numbers. One set is 1 comma 9 and another set is 1 comma 2. The scenario over here is when we have imported the script in use ad script, at that time it has executed the function which we have mentioned at the end of the addition script. So it has executed this part. After that, it has executed the function which has been mentioned in this use ad script, which is this one. So in this scenario, we should use the block to prevent multiple execution of the function. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, the function is being executed twice. Now let me put print underscore name underscore equal to underscore name block here in the addition script. I will again execute both the scripts, that addition script and use ad script. As you can see on the screen, when we have run addition script, the value of underscore name underscore variable was underscore main underscore. The reason being, when we run any script in standalone mode or in the direct mode, like with the command python script name.py or python -m script name, in those scenarios, the value of underscore name underscore will be underscore main underscore, because it will be considered as a main module, it will be considered as a main script. But when we import one module into the another module, underscore named underscore variable value of that imported module will be name of the module or name of the script. So you can see that in Python use underscore edit.py, in this command, value of underscore name underscore variable is addition, which is the script name of this addition.py script. So addition, that is the value of this underscore named underscore variable. Now, as the function is being executed multiple times, we will use the underscore named underscore block in addition.py 5. So let me cut this portion and let me put that block over here at the end of addition script. So if underscore name underscore double equal to, in double quotes, underscore main underscore, then run this function summation 1 comma 9. Now let's execute both the scripts again. As you can see, both the times the function has been executed single time only, and that also with its respective values. So in standalone mode, Python has executed summation function with 1 comma 9 numbers, whereas addition module imported in useAd module, it has executed summation of 1 comma 2 numbers. Thus, in the scenario where we want to run the script as standalone, as well as we want to import the script into another script, we should use the block. It will prevent redundant execution of function. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, that both the time the function has been executed only single time. Okay, so one is with name variable having value main, another one is name variable having value as addition. One last tweak that I would like to show is let's change the value from underscore main underscore to addition. Over here, this addition in this underscore named underscore block is the name of this script, this addition.py script. So this addition is the name of the script. Okay, I will save it. And now let's re-execute both the scripts again. As you can see on the screen, this time in standalone mode, in direct mode, Python has not executed anything from this name block. Definitely, print statement is outside of the block, so it is going to be executed. The reason being, this time we have used name addition, which tells Python that when the script executes by importing it into the another module, at that time it needs to execute the block. This means that in standalone mode, the block will not be executed. Hence, when we have execute this use AD script, it has executed that underscore named underscore block to some two numbers 1 comma 9. Okay, because it has got addition value in name variable, which you can see over here. That's why two times execution of the function. One is when we have imported addition module into this use add module, and if condition of this name block of this addition module holds true for use add imports, and another execution is of use add scripts summation function itself, which will sum two numbers 1 comma 2. Okay, so this is how underscore name underscore block will be useful in Python scripts. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.